Mary Evans Realty Group. I wanted to thank you for taking just a moment to watch this video. We really do appreciate your time. Just a quick note about one of our exclusive 16 key marketing systems we use to get your home sold fast. That's our everyday open house sign. We're not going to ask you as a seller to leave your home for 3 or 4 or 5 hours while we hold an ineffective open house. We're going to make it to where that there is no barriers between someone seeing your home and wanting to take a look at it. So that's why we have our open house sign, our everyday open house. We're going to make this home available to them without inconveniencing you. It's one of our key exclusive 16 marketing systems we use to get your home sold fast. So if you know someone that could be looking to buy or sell, please let us know. My number is 832-721-0442. Proud to let you know that your business does help the kids at Texas Children's Hospital. Every home we sell, we're going to make a generous donation to Texas Children's in your name. So you really do help the kids at Texas Children's with your referrals and your business. Also, if you like this video, if you like this information, please like it, share it with a friend. We'll be offering you some more information as time goes on, some good tips and tricks for you if you're looking to buy or sell real estate. So again, thank you so much for watching today. Hope everybody's doing really great, and we'll talk to you soon.